When beginning to make cake pops, you are going to start by following the directions on your cake mixture and setting the heat on your oven to the desired temperature. Once you have fully mixed your batter, you can butter your pan and set your cake in the oven according to the directions on your cake mix. Make sure to check in on your cake so it doesn't burn. When your cake is fully cooked, you are going to take it out to cool. Once cooled, you can move your cake to a plate to cut the edges so there's no chunks in your cake pops. Then you can move this to a bowl to start crushing it. Make sure to wash your hands first. Then, once your mixture is fully crushed, a spoonful at a time, you can add your frosting or cream cheese. Start with a little because you can always add more but can never take it away. Keep adding until your mixture is like the consistency of Play-Doh. Now it's time to melt your candy melts. Make sure to follow the directions on your package so you don't overheat them or underheat them. Now you're going to roll your dough into balls. Put the sticks in the mixture and then stick them into the dough and then put them in the freezer for 20 to 30 minutes. Once they've set and the mixture is hardened, you can now dip your sticks into the frosting and let them cool. You can decorate as you please and then enjoy.